My guest today is Attorney Paul Urich. He's a bankruptcy attorney right here in Orlando. And Paul, people are still using bankruptcy when the court is foreclosing mortgages on them.
Correct.
So if you have quit, if you've stopped making mortgage payments and the bank does a mortgage foreclosure, bankruptcy has the ability to stop that foreclosure. But what would happen in that typical scenario with the bank loan?
Well, if you're doing a Chapter 7, all it will do is kind of stall the foreclosure for about 3 months because the mortgage company has to go to bankruptcy court and get what's called relief of stay to get permission to pick the foreclosure back up. But if you do a Chapter 13, you can restructure the mortgage to catch it up during the 3 to 5 year period. And the bankruptcy court also offers a mortgage mediation program where you can actually try to force a modification during the bankruptcy itself.
So if you're in a home and it's being foreclosed and you want to stay in that home and you have maybe the ability to catch up on back payments, then Chapter 13 is the way to go. If you're in a home and you're so far behind on the mortgage payments and you're not ever going to be able to catch it up, then you just want to get out of there, then Chapter 7 is a way to proceed.
Yes, it will buy you some time and also protect you from the mortgage deficiency. Of course, those are very rare because a lot of the mortgages that are being foreclosed on are from the mortgage mania era, 2005 to 2008, and they have all kinds of RESPA violations, or they have trouble finding the note, or they're part of Department of Justice settlements, or HAMPs, HARPs, TARPs, and whatever other government programs were.
If they're going to do a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, but they have enough equity in the property to sell it and make a little bit of money, could a Chapter 7 delay that foreclosure long enough for them to sell it and cash out?
Well, the trick would be they would have to be able to maintain. They'd have to file it early enough in the foreclosure that they could, sell it prior to. The only problem is when you're selling a house in foreclosure, the bargain vultures come out.
I got you. All right, folks, my guest today is Attorney Paul Urich. He's a bankruptcy attorney. My name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law. We're going to take a break. We'll be back in just a few minutes.